In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cinemagraphs in Canva using built-in elements. Think of a cinemagraph as a still image with one small area that moves, creating a hypnotic, looped effect. We'll keep it simple and do everything right inside Canva. No extra files needed. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design in any size that fits your project. If you're posting to social media, a square or vertical format works great. If you're aiming for a video background, a 1920 by 1080 canvas is a solid choice. The size won't affect how the animation works, so pick what makes sense for your final use. Next, head to the Elements tab and search for the objects or backgrounds you want. Try keywords like water, smoke, clouds, or fire to brainstorm a theme, then choose static graphics or backgrounds that set your scene. You might pick a table, a person silhouette, or a landscape, anything that looks good as a still image. Drag these into place and arrange your composition. Take a moment to align objects and balance the visual weight so the animated part later stands out. With your static setup ready, add the animated piece. Go to Elements, then look for the animated options related to your theme. You could use a gently rippling water overlay, drifting smoke, or looping clouds. Place it exactly where you want the motion to happen, and resize it so it blends naturally with the scene. Keep the movement subtle and purposeful. The charm of a cinemagraph is that almost everything is still, except for one captivating area. If you want to refine how the motion behaves, use the Animate button. This lets you tweak motion effects to better match the mood of your design. Try a few options and see which one feels most seamless with your static elements. Now preview your cinemagraph by pressing the play button. Watch for any awkward edges, mismatched scales, or movement that steals attention from the focal point. If something feels off, pause, nudge the elements, and preview again until it loops smoothly and looks intentional. When you're happy with it, download your design as an MP4 or a GIF to retain the animation. MP4 is ideal for smooth playback and higher quality, while GIFs are great for simple loops and easy sharing. And that's how you can create stunning cinemagraphs in Canva using only its elements. No extra images needed.